This is called Banglar Rasgulla. What a fuck all logic. In that logic, let's call Jobra Odisha Howrah Bridge. Let's call Surya Rautre Odisha Mamata Banerjee.
Please put your hands together for the very funny MRP.
Hi. Hello. Hi. First of all, give a huge round of applause for all of you. My name is MRP, and I'm from this city which is called Goa of Bengalis. I'm from Puri. I don't know what kind of impression I've been able to impart on you, but deep down, no, there is this huge insecurity in me because I'm from a school that's called Saraswati. It doesn't sound like a मंदिर. It is a मंदिर. हमारे स्कूल का मेन सिलेबस था पूजा और प्रार्थना. रिसेस पे हम लोग पढ़ाई करते थे. इतनी पूजा प्रार्थना होती थी कि हमारे पेरेंट्स डर गए थे कि बच्चा बड़ा होके ग्रेजुएट बनेगा पुजारी. हमारे स्कूल में एक प्रथा थी जिसपे लड़कियां लड़कों को भाई कह के बुलाएंगे और लड़के लड़कियों को बहन करके बुलाएंगे. मेरे दिल्ली के दोस्त मुझे आज भी बहनचोद करके बुलाएंगे. ओडिया पीपल इन द हाउस, फैंटास्टिक. बंगालीज, मेरा नेक्स्ट लाइन था खुल के काट मारते हैं ना. मैम तारीफ नहीं करनी, जोक ही करनी है. बट आई फाइंड बंगालीज वेरी क्यूट क्योंकि इनको लगता है they can make anything sound cute. I was dating a Bengali girl once. My name is plain simple Manas. In the middle of the market, she would say, Manush. In the middle of the market, I'm half turned on. And then there would be an Odia guy. Hey, Manas sa! झगड़ा होता था. मानुष तुम्हें दुष्टो शैतान शैतान दुष्टो मानुष मानुष. अरे यार झगड़े के बीच में I'm turned on. I keep traveling to Kolkata a lot, and I ask my Bengali friends that can you please tell me which are the things about Kolkata which has the authenticity of the Bengali culture, Bengali literature, Bengali architecture which I can enjoy. And he's like, go to Howrah Bridge. वो तुमने बनाया? Anything else? Go to Victoria Memorial Hall. वो तुमने बनाया? I said, anything to eat? Have Rasgulla. वो तुमने बनाया? I said, hold on. This is called Banglar Rasgulla. What a fuck all logic. In that logic, let's call Jobra Odisha Howrah Bridge. Let's call Surya Rautre Odisha Mamata Banerjee. Ma'am, I have a lot of Bengali friends, so I keep drinking with them. तो क्या होता है कभी कभी एक दो पेग तक वो कुछ नहीं बोलते. So every time I used to drink with them, and 3 pegs down, and my Bengali friend is like, hey Manush, আমার গানটা বাজা দে না. What? আমার গানটা বাজা না. See, if you give an Odia a chance and the consent, हम मार देंगे. It's like नहीं हमारा song टा play करो. It's like okay. So I played. I played normal Arijit Singh, Mukesh, Rafi, Kishore Kumar. But उसको वो समझ में नहीं आया. And then he's like, hey Manush, তুমি রবীন্দ্রসঙ্গীত শুনছি? I'm like, মাগ্যা. ମୁଁ ତ କେବେ କହିଛି ଅକ୍ଷୟ ମାଲ ଗୀତ ଶୁଣିବାକୁ? I'll end it with this one line. Every time I travel outside, I make a point that I talk about my state. Every time I hang out with my non-ODI friends, I speak about my state. But problem क्या होता है ना, कभी कभी थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो जाता है. And my non-ODI friends are like, क्या उड़ीसा उड़ीसा करते रहता है, क्या उड़ीसा उड़ीसा करते रहता है, what is your contribution, what's your contribution? Like West Bengal gave Jana Gana Mana, the national anthem. You know, Ghaziabad, Noida, Gurgaon, Delhi NCR, as a community, they provide 90% of crime petrol episodes. तुम्हारा contribution क्या है? I'm like दोस्त, ऐसे तो बहुत कुछ है, but just to summarize, we created a concept so that we made love making extremely legal, safe, and hygienic. One of our ODI boy created the concept called OYO. तो दोस्त, तेरे गुड बुक्स पे उड़ीसा हो या ना हो, पर तेरे रफ नाइट्स पे तो मैं हूं ही. And then my friend is like, oh, इसीलिए सारे एयरपोर्ट्स में उड़ीसा लिखा है. Yeah, baby, yeah. All right, guys, that's been my time. My name is MRP. You've been brilliant.